Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen game or just curious about the best air fryers on the market, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 air fryers on Amazon USA that are trending right now. These are the most searched, highly rated, and loved by thousands of customers. So, whether you're cooking for one or feeding a family, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First up, we have the Ninja AF101 air fryer. This is a fan favorite for a reason. With a 4-quart capacity, it's perfect for small to medium-sized meals. It's super versatile, offering functions like air frying, roasting, reheating, and even dehydrating. What makes it stand out? The one-touch controls are incredibly easy to use, and it heats up fast, giving you crispy results in no time. Plus, it's compact, so it won't take up too much counter space. Next, we have the Cosori Pro 2 Air Fryer Oven Combo. This one's a powerhouse with a 5.8-quart capacity, making it ideal for families or meal preppers. It comes with 13 preset cooking functions, so whether you're air frying, baking, or dehydrating, there's a setting for it. I love the built-in shake reminder. It ensures your food cooks evenly without you having to babysit it. At number 3, we have the Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1 Air Fryer. This 6-quart air fryer is a multitasker, offering air frying, roasting, baking, reheating, and even dehydrating. What sets it apart? The Even Crisp technology delivers perfectly crispy results every time. It also has a clear cooking window, so you can keep an eye on your food without opening the basket. Coming in at number 4 is the Philips Premium Air Fryer XXL. This is the big leagues with a 7-quart capacity, perfect for larger families or entertaining. It uses TurboStar technology to circulate hot air for even cooking and removes excess fat for healthier meals. It's also super durable and built to last. Last but not least, we have the Dash Compact Air Fryer. This is the perfect option for individuals, couples, or small kitchens. With a 2-quart capacity, it's compact, affordable, and super easy to use. Despite its size, it still delivers crispy, delicious results. It's also lightweight and comes in fun colors to match your kitchen decor. So there you have it, the top 5 air fryers on Amazon USA that are trending right now. Whether you're looking for something compact, family-sized, or packed with features, there's an option here for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more kitchen gadget reviews and tips. And if you're ready to buy, check out the links in the description for the best deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!